Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the watch has juice and the phone is ready. Power on the Wear Pro watch, charge it to more than 50% to avoid interruptions, and enable Bluetooth and location on your phone. Once done, install the Wear Pro app and grant the app Bluetooth, location, and notification permissions so pairing can proceed. Open the app and select Start Pairing. This triggers the watch to advertise itself. Follow prompts. You're starting the live connection now. You'll now confirm the device and full permissions. In the app, choose the exact model listed. This narrows compatibility and avoids wrong drivers. When the app shows a numeric pairing code, compare it to the code on the watch and accept on both sides. That secures the Bluetooth link. Make sure the app can run in background and has notification access so messages and calls forward to the watch. If a firmware prompt appears, allow it. Updates fix connectivity bugs and improve stability. You're in the final phase, sync and verify. Let the app complete initial sync so steps, heart rate, and sleep data populate. Pick a watch face and customize notification filters. Test by calling your phone and sending an SMS to confirm notifications arrive. Once everything syncs, make one short walk or heartbeat check to ensure sensors report to the app. If things go wrong, restart both devices, toggle Bluetooth, clear the app cache, and repair. That usually resolves lingering connect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.